Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make a full plate of satay in conjunction with Hari Raya. These are the materials that will be used. Prepare the colors as shown and condition the clay by warming it up between your fingers or using a pasta rolling machine. We'll be starting off with a plate and a saucer for the satay. First, take some orange clay or any color of your choice and roll it out. Cut out a large, 2 medium and 1 small circle with cookie cutters. Take another cookie cutter or a roller and shape the plate as such. Attach the medium circle to the back of the plate. Then, place the eye pin and attach another medium circle to secure it. After that, take the small circle and shape it as such for the saucer. Next, we'll be moving on to the onion cane. Take some purple clay and roll it out. For the core of the onion, shape some white clay into a cylinder. Then, wrap the purple clay sheet around the white core. To start the layers for the onion, roll some white clay into a sheet. Wrap the white clay around the purple. Repeat these steps 1 to 2 times. Then, roll the cane on a surface. Cut off the excess on both sides. Then, continue rolling until you're happy with the size of the cane. For the cucumber cane, choose 2 shades of green and repeat the first 2 steps of making the onion cane. We'll be moving on to the skewers. Take some light brown clay and roll into a thin string. Cut even lengths as such. Then, roll one side of each segment to form sharp edges of the skewers. For the satay, condition some brown clay and form a string. Cut into equal sizes, then form spheres. Flatten each sphere onto the skewers as such. Then, use some soft pastels and shade the satay. Add a little black to give the satay a burnt look. For the ketupat, use some white clay to form a string. Then cut into equal sizes. Shape them into a triangle or any desired shape for the ketupat. You can use a texturing tool or a toothbrush to give it some texture. Lastly, the ketupat kuah or gravy. Use brown liquid clay or translucent liquid clay mixed with soft pastels. Then place the liquid clay into the saucer. Once you're done with all the elements, position them on the plate according to your liking. Bake the clay according to instruction. Once the charm is baked, let it cool. I use a glossy varnish to coat the charm, but this step is optional. Once dried, it's time to attach the remaining hardware. Attach the jump ring to the charm, then attach it to a keychain. This is the finished result of a full plate of satay polymer clay charm. We at Malaysia Clay Art would like to wish you Selamat Hari Raya, Aidilfitri. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please do hit the like button and share it to your friends and families. If you are not already subscribed, please consider as we have more interesting videos coming your way. Hope to see you soon!